Understanding Withdrawn Lot, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, withdrawn lot. This phrase may not be commonly used in everyday conversation, but it's important to understand, especially in specific contexts. Let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. Withdrawn lot is a compound phrase composed of two words, withdrawn and lot. Understanding each word separately helps us grasp the full meaning of the phrase. Withdrawn is an adjective often used to describe someone who is introverted or not socially engaged. Lot can have several meanings, but in this context, it typically refers to a group or collection of things or people. The phrase, withdrawn lot, is most often used in situations where a group of items or people are being described as removed or set apart from a larger group. For example, in an auction, a withdrawn lot could refer to items no longer available for bidding. In social contexts, it might describe a group of people who are not actively participating or engaging with others. Understanding the context is key to using the phrase correctly. It's not a phrase you would use in casual conversation, but it might appear in more formal or specific settings like business meetings, legal discussions, or social analyses. Being able to recognize and understand this phrase can be particularly helpful in these environments. It's also useful to know some variations or synonyms of withdrawn lot. Phrases like removed group, separated collection, or isolated batch can convey similar meanings, depending on the context. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, withdrawn lot, and its usage in English. Remember, language is all about context and practice, so don't hesitate to try using this phrase when the situation fits. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.